Indian Premier League 2026 match number 29 Punjab Kings vs Lucknow Super Giants. Match played at Maharaja Yadavendra Singh International Cricket Stadium, Mulanpur, New Chandigarh. Lucknow Super Giants won the toss, elected to field first. Punjab Kings 20 overs 254 runs, lost by 7 wickets. Priyansha Arya is the highest scorer, 93 runs, 37 balls. Then Lucknow Super Giants best bowling spell, Prince Yadav 4 overs no maiden, 25 runs, 2 wickets taken. Lucknow Super Giants 20 overs 200 runs, lost by 5 wickets. Rishabh Pant is the highest scorer, 43 runs, 23 balls. Then Punjab Kings best bowling spell, Marco Johnson 4 overs no maiden, 37 runs, 2 wickets taken. Punjab Kings won by 54 runs in this match. Player of the match, Priyansha Arya. Congratulations Punjab Kings.